Okay, let's see. This one goes, a moving truck rental company charges $26.95 to rent the truck plus 82 cents a mile. Suppose the function C of D gives the total cost of renting the truck for 1 day. If you drive 66 miles, I don't love the phrasing on that. Give the formula C of D, so the cost is a function of the distance driven. Make sure to give the complete formula as an equation. Okay, so and I think they want function notation with that C of D. So we're going to have C of D equals the chart, the 26.95. That's going to be like your y-intercept. If you drove no miles, you still owe them $26.95, and then it's going to be, this is your rate of change. It's going to go up 82 cents for each mile you drive. So we'd have 0.82 and then times the distance, the number of miles, plus 26.95. So if I didn't drive the truck at all, I owe them that much. If I drove it 1 mile, I'd owe them this much plus 82 cents. So this is just going to count up each mile. So that's that first box. Don't love the wording on this. So give the total rental cost if you drive the truck 66 miles. Give the function notation in the first box here, the answer in the second box, and choose the correct units for the third box. So the function notation that they're looking for here with the 66 is C of 66. That's it. So we're evaluating C of 66, and we put that in over on this side. Oops, we actually do it though. There we go. And then we throw that into a calculator, and then that will give us the answer that goes in this box. And then here, yeah, that would be in dollars because we're finding the cost. So the units would be dollars. And then lastly, suppose you have 120 budgeted for the move. What is the furthest distance you can drive the truck? So now this time, so remember, we're putting in miles right here, and we're getting out dollars on this side. So here when we put in miles, the 66 was the total number of miles, so that went in for the distance. Here they're giving us the 120. So for that part, we're saying 120 equals 82, times the distance plus 26.95. So this time where they gave us money, careful that we're plugging into what would be like the y side of the equation. Where they're giving us miles, you're plugging in for what would be like the x side of the equation. From there, I'm sure you can solve that. Just move this over and divide it out and solve for d. And then that answer would be, we're solving for, right, miles. That would be miles in terms of the units. Hopefully that helps.